If you're trying to eat healthy and high protein like me, these 5 ingredient spicy chicken fritters without cheese will solve all your problems. Each fritter has over 11 grams of protein, low carb, low calorie, and seriously delicious. Perfect for meal prep, gym snack, or a clean comfort food fix. Here's what you do. Let's take a quick look at all ingredients prepped and ready to go. Combine everything in a blender, super simple. Give that a quick pulse to break it down. Add boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 1 large egg, a 1/4 cup of chickpea flour, and of course the spices that bring all the flavor. Pulse again just until the mixture comes together. Keep it chunky for juicy fritters with great texture. You don't want a paste. I'm using about 60 grams or a 1/4 cup of the mix per fritter. Keeping them the same size helps them cook evenly. Pan fry on medium heat until golden brown, about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Cover the pan with a lid while they cook. This helps retain heat, cook them through faster without drying them out. Flip once the underside is nicely brown. While these cook, I made a quick yogurt dipping sauce. Simply blend Greek yogurt, sour cream, finely grated garlic clove, 1 green chili that's been crushed, chopped cilantro or mint leaves, ground cumin, a pinch of salt, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Give it a stir and let it chill while the fritters finish. You can serve them hot with the yogurt sauce on the side. They're great on their own, in wraps, or with a crisp salad. Wow, these fritters are insanely crispy and so juicy inside. That jalapeno just adds the right punch. Don't skip it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a like, share it with others, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss my next healthy, high protein, easy recipe. Thanks for watching.